In this video, we will learn about tables in HTML. If you have not watched previous videos, then you can click on I button or you can find the link of playlist of web development in the description. You can see an image here of table. So we will be learning how to create a similar table using only HTML. We can also style it using CSS and we will be seeing it in our upcoming videos. So for creating a table in HTML, table tag is used. Basically, table tag marks the starting of our HTML table and slash table marks the end of our table. You can see syntax on your screens. tr tag is used to create row in our table and it is nested inside our table tag. And tr here stands for table row. You can see this syntax on your screens. Inside tr tag, we have to create elements just like we have created elements in our list. So, for creating elements in tr tag, we use td tag. td tag is used inside tr tag and you can see syntax of td tag on your screen. And the content that is written between td and slash td is the content that we will see in our table. So here for example, we will be seeing element 1 and element 2 in our table. So let's create some HTML tables. So we will be creating our table inside body tag as all the contents of our website are inside a body tag. So let's just create by initializing table and then we are creating a first row, and inside our first row the element will be, let's make it red, then closing, then another element be green, and then we are closing our row and then making another row that has elements yellow and black. Let's make this as black, closing our element, closing our row, and finally closing our table. And let's just save it as table.html and look at it. So here you can see that we have got an arrangement like a table, but this table is without borders, so it cannot be seen precisely. But we will be adding borders in our table soon using border attribute. We can also create headings in our HTML tables using th tag. Here you can see that hero, power, and nemesis are headings of this table. So on your screens, you can see an example of table that we have created, and we have also used th tag to make headings in our HTML table. First we have started with table tag that marks the beginning of starting of the table, and then we have used tr tag to make a row of headings, and then we have used th tag to show this element as heading, and then we have used another th tag that is heading 2, and then finally we have closed our row. So the first row comprises of heading 1 and heading 2, and then we have created another row, and in this row we have created two elements using td tag, and then finally we have closed our row and the table. So let's just add headings in this table only, and headings are inside a row. So first we are initializing a row, and then inside a row we are using th tag, that is, let it be color 1, and closing our th tag, then another heading would be color 2, and then closing our th tag, and then finally closing our row. So let's save it and see what happens to our table. So here you can see that we have first heading and then we have second heading, that is color 1 and color 2, and you can also see that these are bold as compared to our elements. So basically this is what the th function does, it makes headings bold. In previous created tables, you have seen that we don't have borders in our table, and that makes our table look ambiguous. So for creating border in a table, we use border attribute. On your screens, you can see syntax of border attribute. So let's just add border attribute inside our HTML tables. So previously we have seen tables without our border. So let's just add borders to our table using border attribute, and let's just give it value as 1 and see what changes we have got here. So here you can see that we have got a border of value 1. Let's just change our value and make it as 10 and see what it does to our HTML. And you can see that as this value of border increases, the outer border is increased. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share and subscribe so that more of your friends get to know this skill, practice it and be a good web developer in the upcoming future. Thank you to all of you.